If you've spent over a decade in the classroom, you know the frustration. Your salary plateaus, but the cost of living keeps climbing, leaving you staring at a stack of bills and wondering how to bridge the gap. You need the extra income, but the idea of starting a completely new career from scratch in your 40s feels absolutely exhausting. So teachers often settle for low-wage weekend jobs. Driving for a rideshare app or working retail might pay a few bills, but it ignores 15 years of highly specialized professional expertise. Instead of a total career pivot, the most effective path forward involves an asset monetization strategy, taking the skills you already use every day and packaging them for a different market. Trying to pivot into a new corporate role means starting over. You lose your seniority, you pay heavily for retraining, and it takes months or years to see a return. But you already know how to design curriculum, manage students, and edit writing. When you apply those specific skills outside the classroom, the time it takes to see your first dollar drastically drops. Today, we are filtering 6 highly profitable educational side hustles through 3 distinct lifestyle and energy constraints. Correctly identifying how much gas you actually have left in the tank is the only way to pick a hustle that makes real money without causing total burnout. We start with the active earner, for teachers with evening energy who need cash right now. The input is direct, trading free time for one-on-one client work or district-level consulting. The result is immediate, premium cash flow, commanding $40 to $200 an hour. Your age is a massive advantage here. Private clients and businesses willingly pay premium rates for the maturity and real-world experience that a mid-career teacher brings to the table. Profitable niches include specialized test prep, college essay coaching, and auditing curriculum for school districts. The trade-off is immediate friction. This path drains your weekly energy reserves and injects constant client scheduling issues into an already busy life. To mitigate that stress, set strict boundaries. Package your tutoring or consulting into rigid 6-week intensives instead of letting clients book chaotic, open-ended weekly sessions. Path A puts money in your bank account the fastest, provided you heavily guard your schedule so your daytime teaching performance doesn't suffer. Next is the asynchronous builder, designed for the educator who is completely drained with zero energy after 4 p.m. Your input relies on systems you've already built, spending upfront hours redesigning classroom materials into marketable digital assets. Specifically, you are optimizing your lesson plans to sell on Teachers Pay Teachers or creating evergreen courses on platforms like Udemy. This creates passive income. You decouple your personal time from your revenue, meaning you make money while you are actively teaching your day job or while you're asleep, but you need a reality check on the workload. This requires uncompensated upfront labor, redesigning in Canva, keyword optimization, and marketing, with no guarantee of immediate revenue. The long-term payoff is that once you put in those hours, digital assets can sell infinitely. You scale your income without adding another daily task to your calendar. To start, pick your 3 absolute best-performing classroom activities. Optimize and publish just those 3, instead of uploading your entire hard drive at once. Path B stops you trading your physical presence for a paycheck. It works, provided you put in the uncompensated hours to build your catalog first. The third profile is the seasonal sprinter. This is for educators who demand that the 9-month school year remains sacred and untouchable. Teachers have a built-in structural advantage over the rest of the workforce: long, highly predictable blocks of downtime. You leverage that downtime by running summer learning camps, hosting intensive spring break boot camps, or picking up contract work with local learning centers. Financially, this strategy takes what is traditionally your lowest earning season and turns it into a massive, concentrated revenue spike. The heavy trade-off is your personal recovery. By monetizing school breaks, you are sacrificing the primary windows meant for deep rest and mental reset. Path C protects your daily mental health while school is in session, but it demands immense stamina and focus during the off-season. Attempting all 6 of these ideas simultaneously fragments your focus, ensuring that no single project gains enough traction to actually pay out. This diluted effort yields negligible revenue while doubling your workload, which is how most teachers end up burned out and empty-handed. Choose your path based on your current life constraints. Need cash now with evening energy left? Choose specialized tutoring. Burned out by Friday afternoon? Choose course creation, building slowly on weekends. Refuse to work extra during the school year? Plan a summer intensive. Pick exactly one path. Commit to it exclusively for 90 days before you even think about judging whether or not it's working. By ignoring all other options for a full quarter, you transform an overwhelming list of chores into a controlled, actionable experiment that protects your sanity and grows your bank account.